Why Thailand? With a population of 70 million people, an adaptable workforce and a workable business structure, Thailand offers a huge variety of opportunities for British businesses. Whether you're selling goods, delivering services, engaging in franchise arrangements, or joint ventures, the opportunities are limitless. We can look at sectors like education, with technical and vocational education delivery, training, skills development in the workplace, right up to universities. In the field of technology, from Agritech and biotech through to smart cities. These are only two examples of the opportunities that exist in Thailand. If you are keen to develop your business here and you have a budget to support outreach in the form of a visit to the market, then please come and see me.